1, 2, 3. I wanna say happy birthday to you. 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 Let's go. Now close your eyes and make that wish. Make that wish. Think about it and blow out your candles. Close your eyes and make that wish. Make that wish. Think about it and blow out your candles. Close your eyes and make that wish. Make that wish. Think about it and blow out your candles. Close your eyes and make that wish. Let's go. Think about it. Check and blow out your candles. Yeah. Happy birthday, fellas. Happy birthday, ladies. It's a party. Light the candles. It's about to get crazy. Grown up or babies. Everybody's on the list. Now scream your name. Scream your age. It's time to make that wish. Happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. HBBYBRTXDAY. 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 You already know what time it is. I'm just trying to say that's all I'm saying, cause you already know. Yeah.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Happy birthday, Pas
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pasbray. O, siya na mauna.
Hello, Pasbray. Have a blessed day to you. Happy birthday. And what can I say? Just continue to be a blessing to everyone. Happy birthday, Pas.
Okay, my turn. Para naman hindi masyadong seryoso, no? Happy birthday, Pasbray. I'm really blessed na nakilala kita. And napag-usapan natin last time, it's really a small world. Magka-church pala tayo before and then now magkasama tayo. So it's really a God's will. So again, wishing you good health and long life with Ate Leila and Simon. Again, happy birthday, Pasbray. Bye for now. See you on Friday. I see you today pala na. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Pasbray. Wish you all the best.
Hi, Pasbray. I just want to say thank you for supporting the journey of my faith. And I hope that you will continue to be the blessings for everyone. And may God bless you always, Pasbray.
Hello, Pastor Bry. Salamat po sa paghatid sundo nyo sa amin palagi. At sa gabay nyo sa amin. Wish you all the best.
Pasbray, happy birthday. Thank you sa guidance na mapalapit kami kay God at hindi kami mapariwara sa buhay namin. So, Pasbray, happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit, Pasbray!
May kanta ako sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you. Mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Anyway, I would like to greet Sir Brian a happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon sa mga sorpresa namin sa inyo. And sana ma-appreciate mo lahat ng ginagawa namin. Maraming salamat po pala, Pasbray, sa paggabay, lalo na sa Panginoong Diyos. Dinalapit mo kami sa Panginoong Diyos na. Pasbray, thank you so much. And hindi ko makakalimutan yung first day na nag-attend kami ng church. Yung preach mo, Pasbray, sobrang tumatak sa puso ko, kaya sobrang iyak ko noon. Kaya it was the most unforgettable moment ko na nangyari sa buhay ko with you. So, Pas Bray, enjoy the day. We love you. Happy birthday.
One praise to describe Pas Bray. A very down-to-earth person. Happy birthday, Pas Bray!
Hi, Pas Bray. Happy birthday. We are truly blessed to have you. Brian stands for bright, realistic, youthful, amazing, and nice. Wishing you more birthdays to come, Pas Bray, and good health, and always be happy from the presence of the Lord. We love you so much. God bless.
Ayun, so happy birthday sa nag-iisang Pastor Brian. At ang dalangin ko sa birthday mo marami ka pang taong maturuan at gamitin ka pa ng matagal ng Panginoon sa kanyang simbahan. At maging masaya ka sa birthday mo, pag-ingatan ka pati ang iyong pamilya. At happy birthday again, Pastor Brian.
Happy birthday, Pastor Bray. Ingat ka parati at good health lang, Pastor Bray. Bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday ng ating Panginoon. God bless you always, Pastor Bray.
Happiest birthday, Pastor Bray. Maraming salamat sa buhay mo. At ayun, magkapag-alala. Busy lang ako dito pero ayun, patuloy ako naglilingkod sa Lord at hindi kita nalilimutan. Ayan, ang tanging ko lang masasabi kay Pastor Bray, he's a good example as a Christ-like. He's a good father and he's a good leader and he's a good friend, no? I'm so blessed dahil nakilala kita sa buhay ko at ayun, patuloy kang pagpalain ng Lord at ano man yung desire ng heart mo ay i-grant ka ng Lord, no? At ayan, patuloy may palaganap ang mabuting balita at patuloy kang maging faithful servant ng ating Panginoong Jesus. See you, Pastor Bray, at God bless you. I miss you and I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Once again, happy birthday, Pas Brian. Dalangin ko sa Diyos na more wisdom at pagpalain ka at pag-ingatan ka sa araw-araw ng inyong buhay kasama ang inyong pamilya. Once again, happy birthday and more blessing to come and good health, Pas, and God bless you. Happy birthday, Pas!
Happy birthday, Pastor Brian. More birthdays to come. God bless po.
Pas Bray, happy birthday. Padayon lang, Pas Bray, sa imuhang mga goals, imong kinabuhi. Uban sa imuhang himsog na pamilya. Sa imuhang mga guide ka namo, Pas Bray. Salamat kaayo nga naaka nagibanding ka kanamo. Isip po sa kamagulang sa pagtuo. Salamat kay Pas Bray. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Pagpalang araw sa lahat. Happy birthday, Pastor Bray. Isa lang yung maano ko kay Pastor Bray na ano siya, joker. Kasi hindi ko maano kay Pastor Bray yung unang beses na galing siyang bakasyon na may dalang Lilis peanut butter. Seryoso ko. Tapos sabi niya, masarap pa daw yung Lilis peanut butter. Kaya yun, natawa kaming lahat kasi nasyak talaga ko. Pangalawa yung sa sasakyan, ay hatid niya kami. Sabi niya doon sa Baka, sa Bisaya, yung mga joke namin, tawa kami ng tawa. At saka napaka bait ni Pastor Bray. Lahat nagagawa niya. At hindi mo siya nakikitang napapagod. Yun lang, happy birthday, Pastor Bray. And wish ko sa kanya more bless and more birthdays to come. Na marami pa siyang makasama, mapaprayer. Lahat na nagagampanan niya. Again, happy birthday, Pastor Bray. God bless and your family.
Isang mapagpalang araw sa lahat. Purihin po ang Panginoong Diyos sa araw na ito. describe ko po si Pastor Brian in a one word. Para sa akin, si Pastor Brian ay isang klaseng octopus na kahit sabay-sabay ang gawain niya, para sa Diyos man, pamilya, kaibigan, at higit sa lahat sa mga nasasakupan niya sa panambahan. Kaya niya yung gampanan, kaya niya yung magawa, tapusin ang lahat kahit na magsabay-sabay man. Yan ang may pastor na bayan sa RICM Alcards. Kahit nga kaya nga niyang pagsamahan ang lahat ng may ugali, klase-klaseng ugali. Kahit nga walang ugali, kaya niyang pagsamahan, tulungan. Higit sa lahat, ay Pastor Brian, yung pagtulong niya sa kapwa at paggabay niya na wala sa level yung pagtulong niya sa bawat isa, no. Kahit sino ka man, Pastor Brian, talagang makikita ka niya na may pinagdaanan ka, mayroong kang pangangailangan. Ay Pastor Brian, hindi yan iniisip sarili niya. Ang importante na makatulong siya sa kapwa. Kaya salamat talaga na may swerte talaga tayo dahil meron tayong Pastor Brian na katulad niya. At ika nga, sabi nga, naalala ko nga isa kapatid na umuwi na sa Pilipinas. More works Pastor Brian. At yun, less 30 seconds lang. Muli, happy birthday. Gabayan ka lalo ng Panginoong Diyos araw-araw mo pagbiyahe. At bigyan ka pa ng masigit pa ng kalakasan mo sa physically, spiritually mo. Sa iyong pamilya, nawa na-enjoy mo ang araw ng birthday. Kaya muli, happy birthday sa iyo, sa iyong pamilya, kasama yung pamilya. At higit sa lahat, mahal na mahal ka po namin. Dahil kung wala po kayo, wala po kami ngayon dito sa aming katayuan. Salamat po Pastor Brian, muli, God bless. Happy birthday Pastor Brian. Ang di ko makalimutan sa iyo ay nung time na nabingwit mo si Jay, nung namimingwit tayo. And of course, every time na nagpi-preach ka ay talagang nabibless ako. Nafe-feel ko na kinakausap ako ng Panginoon. And I pray that you will continue to be a blessing sa lahat ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. God bless, and once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Pas Bray! Maraming salamat po, Pas Bray, sa kabutihan ng puso nyo. Kay buti-buti mo. Unforgettable funny moment, siguro yung Hello Vlogs! Welcome to my guys! Pas, maraming salamat po sa mga araw na nakakasama ka namin ng mga kapatid. Sa happiness, sa tawanan, na may konting iyakan. Salamat din pa sa pagtuturo sa amin ng mga kapatid, ng mga salita ng Diyos. Ipinapanalangin ko po kay Lord na sana lagi ka po niyang gabayan, patnubayan, ilayo sa anumang kapahamakan, at panatiling malakas ang pangangatawan. Kasama ang iyong pamilya at si Baby Simon at si Ate Layla. Again, Pas, maraming salamat, Pas. Happy birthday, Pas. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hello, Pas. How are you to find out today? You're amazing. Amazing. You're awesome. And one funny moment na hindi ko makalimutan is nung namingwit tayo. Yun yung literal talaga na fishers of men. And we wish you a happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you more. And hopefully marami pang tao makakilala sa Lord sa pamagitan niyo po. And one question is, nakailang girlfriend ka po bago si Ate Layla? Alright.
Hello Pastor Bry. Happy birthday. So, I'm truly blessed sa buhay ninyo as a leader, as a co-servant sa ministry na ating Panginoon. Nakita ko kung paano yung inyong commitment, your dedications, and your love pagdating po sa ministry. So you are a good example of servant ng ating Panginoon. Pastor Bry, ay sa inyong celebration ng inyong kaarawan, this is my declarations from the book of Number, chapter 6 verse 24 to 26. And may the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. And may the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. Yung kapayapaan po na nagmumula sa ating Panginoon ay patuloy po na sumainyo upang patuloy nyo po na magampanan yung inyong tungkulin na ipinagkatiwala ng Panginoon at magkaroon pa ng mas successful na ministry in the future. God bless Pastor Bry and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastor Bry! Say hi! If there's one thing I'd like to pray for you, I think it would be wisdom. Wisdom that is coming from the Lord. Wisdom in everything that you do as a father to Simon, as a husband to Ate Laila, as a son, as a brother, and most of all, as a leader of God's church. And also, I pray that may He always give you wisdom in so that you will be able to make the right decision in everything that you do, for you to be more effective and more effective leader and servant of God. Say hi! Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ah!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Tito Brian.
Tito Brian.
God bless.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Bry! Ingat ka dyan palagi. Love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bry! There's one thing I can tell about you. You're disciplined and focused. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Game na!
Happy 100th birthday, Tito Bry!
Kurt!
Happy birthday to Bry.
Hi, Bry. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. I wish you blessings upon blessings. Let it be known that you are very inspiring to us. Thank you for everything that you do for our family. Thank you for everything, for the love that you have shared to us and to my family. I wish you good health always, to you and your family also. And I wish you, that God will grant you all your heart's desires. Thank you and happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday, Dom. I love you. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your family. With Laida and Simon. And I love you, Dom. I love you. Thank you kaayo, Dong, sa lahat na ikaw bumubuhay sa akin. Yun, happy birthday. Enjoy your life and enjoy your special day.